In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to quickly generate and send a professional invoice to your customer right from your Zoho Books account. First, open your browser and log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your home base where you can see an overview of your business finances. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one business. You can usually see the organization name at the top of the screen. Next, we're going to navigate to the invoicing area. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main menu. Find and click on the section labeled Sales. This is where Zoho Books groups everything related to selling: estimates, invoices, payments received, and so on. Clicking Sales will expand a list of related options. From that expanded list, click on Invoices. This opens the Invoice module, where you can see all of your existing invoices, their statuses, and dates. It's a good place to quickly check what's been sent, what's paid, and what's still outstanding. Now we're ready to create a new one. In the Invoices page, look for a button that says New, or Plus New, usually at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click that. This opens a blank invoice form. On this form, you'll need to fill in all the important details. Start by selecting the customer you're invoicing. If the customer is already in your contacts, you can choose them from the drop-down list. If not, this is a good time to add them as a new contact, so you don't have to retype their information later. Next, set the invoice date and the due date. Make sure these reflect the terms you've agreed with your customer. Then add the products or services you're billing for. Enter clear descriptions, quantities, and rates so your customer understands exactly what they're being charged for. Check that the tax settings are correct, and verify that the subtotal tax and total amounts look right. If needed, you can add a note or terms and conditions at the bottom, such as payment instructions or refund policies. Once everything looks accurate, scroll down and review the entire invoice one more time. When you're satisfied, click on Save and Send. Zoho Books will save the invoice in your account and open the email sending window so you can email it directly to your customer. You can customize the message, then send it off, and that's all it takes to create and send an invoice in Zoho Books.